However, I am exploring different types of AIs like ChatGPT agents, trying to build some agents with explore GPTs for me. However, but now to keep on with the pace, I think learning about AI agent is very necessary. And your discussion, I thought, I think this is one of the, uh, I would say, a good resource for me to learn the basics.
Hi, Rasa. I feel this is the purpose of these sessions. I was just telling Salim this. We want to learn things, right? Like AI, workflows, and whatever thing that's trending right now, we want to try it and we want to learn it, but we just don't block a time in our calendar to do that. So I felt these sessions are sort of this, right? Like we're just maybe I changed their name into study group or something, like something around that, and then we pick a topic every time to study together, like show, like, it's, we're all busy, and if you have something in your calendar, you're gonna stick to it more likely. So it's okay if you don't have any, like if you haven't tried AI before. It's I haven't tried Gaurav's tool, and I think he has created something really cool. I was preparing for the session. I was like, okay, what workflow should we create? And I was just thinking about something simple to explain the concept. But then I saw Gaurav's. I was like, wow, that's great. Hey, Shannon.
Yes,
Okay. I would say one more minute and then we start, Gaurav. Okay. I'll be like jumping in, asking questions. I'm really sorry if it's annoying. You can tell me to wait. I'll also be monitoring the chat if someone has a question. Look, guys, we're a small group, so if you want to ask, you can jump in. If you want to write in the chat, that's okay as well. Like, let's deal with this as a normal meeting. Don't think of it as a webinar. No, it's okay, Shannon. No worries. Welcome. We're happy to have you. Yeah. Yes. The bar is getting higher and things are getting complicated. Sivraj, hi. Okay, I think we can start. Gaurav, you want to share your screen and guide us?
Yeah, sure.
Can you see his screen? Because I can't.
Just a second. I'm just trying.
So basically this session will be like for a complete beginner friendly, or like people who knows how to make workflows and stuff like that. Like you need to have some idea how things work.
Someone who never, like, Gaurav is gonna take us through every step. Like, it's new. This platform he's using, it's also, where did Gaurav go? Did he run away?
No, he'll come back, I guess.
We, we're losing people. What's happening? One more person is down. Gaurav!
No, he's back, he's back.
Yes,
No,
yes.
just a
We
second.
thought you ran away or something.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Okay, so this platform is new for me, and I think it's new for everyone as well. So Gaurav is just gonna walk us through it step by step. We can stop him to ask questions. Like, let's try to recreate what he created. So we should go to Gumloop.
Yeah, so this is a
Okay,
Gumroad.
okay, let's go to Gumloop.
This is what I have actually created. So, like, uh, before starting it, I would say, like, don't really expect that I have done a very rocket science thing or anything. It's a pretty basic thing, actually. Like, before starting, I really want to tell you all. So, how did I create it first? Oh, chat. So, if you can actually check my conversation that I had with this AI bot. So, like, if you would just check my conversation here, I just told the bot directly that I want to create a flow that would take an input from the user, then search the input term on Google, fetch all the questions related to the query from the SERP, show those questions to the user, and according to those questions, recommend more questions to the user that they can add in their website content.
So
It's
recommend we all sign up first, and then maybe you can paste this prompt for us in the chat, and then we try putting it as well.
sure, sounds good.
Okay, let's sign up, guys. I'm just jumping in, trying to like, you know, host
Yeah,
the session with you. I don't mean like to be like interrupting or anything.
no worries.
Okay, so when I clicked on start, get started, or it says welcome to Gumloop, web scraping, document processing, like there's different options, content create generation, SEO marketing. Did you like choose web scraping or SEO and marketing, or it doesn't matter?
I don't think it matters. Can you share your screen for a second?
Sure. Sure. Well, I'll share my screen. Where is my? Can you see this? The welcome to Gumloop?
Yes. So you can just cross it actually on the
Okay,
top.
that's embarrassing. Go.
No worries. Uh,
Okay, you can share your screen back again. Okay, so okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna share my screen again. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I promise you I'm not stupid, but this is new. So I should like start from scratch.
yeah.
Okay.
Start from scratch because like whatever that we want, it is not there as a template.
Yeah.
And uh, so
And then
like
I use this here, the chat here, and paste your prompt.
yeah, just paste the prompt. Let me just give the prompt on the chat section. So
Okay.
yeah, I've seen the prompt.
Okay, now you
And
can share your screen. I'm sorry about this, but I want to create. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I think I thought if I'm also sharing like the steps here, it would be helpful
yeah, but
to
I
others.
think it would be better if you share your screen and you try to create this workflow.
Okay, okay, I'll do that. Okay, and then you guide me.
Yeah,
Okay. Share. Okay. Can you see this, right?
yeah.
Okay, so it says asking the Gumloop team a question, plotting and planning.
Oh, damn.
I'll try again.
Yeah. Yes.
This is the steps, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what
So
do I
that
do?
yeah. So just click on the input first.
Okay.
Yeah. So uh yeah. So like yeah. So from here you can just add the value like whatever the query that you want. This is
Keyword?
this
Oh, any keyword?
yeah. But after making the workflow, so after this click on call SERP API.
So I add, click here again. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Second, I just think I should minimize this. Okay.
No, can you minimize it a little? Like you can use a mouse scroll or something.
Like this. I
Mm,
think it's
okay.
smaller.
No,
No,
I
just
think
press. No, I think press. No, for Windows, I think you can press Control and minus key from your
Okay. Okay.
from ha yeah yeah yeah
Okay. I'll give
yes.
this here. Okay. And then I click Ask AI.
right.
Okay. It's here. So you
Mm,
connect them or what? What next? What should
yeah,
I do?
yes, yes. So now we need to understand one basic thing. Okay. So what? Uh, so for example, if we need a query to write it on Google, right? So first we will write it on input section wherever we want it, wherever whatever the kind of query we want, and then the query will uh, integrate this call serp API, right? Because we want Google result after it, right? We want the workflow after entering the query to scrape the people also ask section from Google SERP, right? So of course, like this would be the second step, call SERP API, right? So let's just connect the first input to the second, and let's just maximize it.
Yeah.
The nodes, yeah.
Like this?
Exactly. Yeah, perfect. You can keep it on the left side also, like call SERP API, yeah. 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 So that we can
Is
have
it
it.
all one? Like, should this be two, or that's just how it is?
That's how it is.
Okay.
And just increase the size of this, like maximize it because we will have to add the information. Yeah. And like we do not have to write the query directly here since we have already added the input node.
Okay.
So on the top right section, you must have seen this, you must have been seeing one input and drag inputs to node field option, right? So just drag that output into the query box. Yeah. Why we are doing this? Because uh, the input nodes output would be our input of call serp API, right?
Yeah.
Uh, because we want it to scrape all the information from SERP. So that is why we will have to add this input into call SERP API, right? And now,
Here,
yeah, and now,
maximize
yeah.
organic results.
No, just maximize it.
Max.
There must have been more options on the no, the call SERP API. Just
Sorry,
increase.
sorry. I'm show more options. Okay.
No, not this. This is Ask APIs. Ask
Oh,
AIs.
you still want to be in the SERP API?
Yeah. Just
Okay.
maximize the size. Yeah.
Query
And go down.
boxes.
Go
Yes.
down. Click on search information box.
Okay.
Uh, the first one, related questions.
Yes. Okay. And I remove this, right?
Yeah, you can remove this.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, we want now to understand the step. We have told this workflow until now that we will enter the query. You please go and scrape people also ask section, right? And now we will integrate AI into this, right? So just maximize the ask AI node box. Yes, it must have shown you the prompt that we should add in this box. Like on the left hand side, if you would have a look at the AI chatbot, just look at the third pointer. Yeah.
Okay, use the prompt like based on
Yeah.
these relate. Okay. About. Okay, I'll put this here.
Yeah. And yeah, replace the user query. Uh, okay, like yeah, now we will have to add the input of this related questions.
Yeah,
Let's just try.
based on these related
Yeah,
questions.
like at the end also we can do, no worries, like this.
You want to share your screen and show us how it's done on your side, so we try to
Yeah,
like do.
yeah, sure. So I tried to do it little like it's a little complicated one, but still I will try to explain it. So here what I did is, so first this is our input node, right? Here we have asked to add the input, right? Like whatever the input that will be added here, it will be
Okay, yes,
shift.
this, yeah, we this, yeah, okay, okay. And then now you have a list here.
Yeah. So
It's
this
different
is,
a bit.
yeah, like I will explain it. Just a second, just bear with
Yeah,
me.
yeah, sure. Sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry. I talk a lot. I'm sorry.
No worries, no worries. So after this, what I told them is like Based on these related questions from Google, suggest 5-10 additional point questions that would be valuable to address in website content. So that is there. Now, the problem is if I directly like, let's just skip these points, okay? Just
I'm trying just to write as you wrote there, and I'm
okay. So
guys, if there
after
is any questions or like I don't want to feel like I'm monopolizing the conversation. If you want to like ask or if you're stuck in a step, jump in. Okay, I can't see.
yeah, so after that, like
Can
this
you make
out,
it a bit bigger?
yeah.
Up. Okay, based on these from Google questions. Um, Suggest that would be valuable to address in website content format, each as a bullet. Address in website content about this topic. Okay, one second. Topic, format your response as numbered list. Can you paste this for others in the chat? Are you following, guys?
Yeah, we're following, but it's it's kind of difficult to to follow and to do all tab at that time. So we're just trying to understand first thing and then maybe implement it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not a very great teacher. I'm also very beginner on it.
No, it's okay.
No,
I'm
yeah,
not a good
Gaurav,
teacher as
it's
well.
fine.
That's why I think I'm jumping in.
No, 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 you're just too good.
I really like what you. Okay, this is a nice tool.
Want to see
Let's.
the end result, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. I have the Ask AI set up here. Okay, Gaurav, you want to continue and then I jump in, or like
Just a second. Let me just try to like first simplify it
Sure.
by uh, discontinuing this note. First of all, I think we should
Can
just
you,
first focus on the basic ones only. Let us just
yeah, can you,
consider
yeah. No,
Gaurav,
so Gaurav, your this interface, your this like this loop is already been made, right? So I mean, you don't want to actually do it that way. You can start off with a new one probably. That will be easier, no? I mean, because you have to
yeah,
just
I think that would be
uh
much better.
keep 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 pushing these your existing loop here and there. So I don't want to disturb you
Mhm.
for that.
Okay, let's just
A new one
create.
would be would be much easier. Like just a thought.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, guys, let's try to create something new, okay? Or like, do you guys wanna do this one only?
just have a
No,
thing.
this one
How
would do.
I
Yeah.
was
Sorry, go
since
ahead, go ahead, go ahead, Sir.
I was just saying, since we started this one on my side, I was just thinking, can we just test it, see what's gonna
Yeah,
happen?
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
sure.
We can continue
Okay,
that
so
first.
yeah, so I have I set this up here. The one second one. Stop. What's happening? Okay, I added like the related questions and then I have the prompt. So what do I do next?
Can you share your screen?
I'm sharing.
Oh, I
No?
can't see it.
Yeah,
One
it's
sec.
there.
I'm sharing it again.
It was
Okay.
there, but then now
Yeah,
it
now it's
lost. Now it's again there. Yeah, yeah. It was there
okay.
already also. But yeah.
Okay,
Now
so
let's try to run it.
how to run it? Where?
On the top right section, there's one button. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Please sign in.
Top
Okay, one
right
sec.
side, top right. Yeah.
Okay. Let me use.
Yeah.
Okay, now I can run
Also,
it.
wait a second. Just
Okay,
before running it, we will have to add the input also, like what keyword we want. So just
okay.
maximize that input
Right.
node and
SEO.
add one query.
What query you wanna try, guys?
Um, Let's just try a very generic one, like customer engagement kind of. That can give us a lot of inputs.
Try
Right.
to Okay, I just wanted to make sure it's clear. Customer engagement. Okay, we're good. Now I run.
Good.
Yeah.
Let's run. You can all see this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How to do this? So you see the questions.
Yeah. Now click on like the first one on the right hand side. On the
Right.
right hand side, this panel. You must have seen response from AI. How do the like just click on that bit. No, the first number one.
Yes.
No. Like in the Ask AI box, you must
Okay.
have
Yes.
seen no on the
I'm
right hand
sorry, I'm
side.
stupid a bit. Okay, this one.
Yeah, just click on
Okay,
this.
I'm sorry, I'm a bit stupid.
No worry. So here you have got the result like whatever we wanted. We have got this, right?
Then additional
Okay.
questions. Okay, nice. Yeah. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. Actually, the major problem happens when you like when you really want to merge all three of them into one document. So that is why when you guys were looking at my workflow, it was looking very difficult and very complex because of this reason only. And I would say like just take a lot of help from the Gummies AI chatbot, right? Because it is really very helpful. Like Sarah, you must have also
Mm.
noticed we just add that information like what we really want and it actually helped us, right? Now let's just try to add the information like now I want all the three information in one document kind of.
Yeah, I was actually about to ask you just that is there a way we could, we could have the input on our Google Sheet or Google Drive?
Yeah, we can have it. Just
Is
like
it?
whatever the
Uh-huh.
questions you have, Ajad. I'm so sorry, Salim. So whatever the questions that you have, you can ask this chatbot. It is really helpful, I
Dummies.
would say.
Yeah. Right. True.
Like it will also tell you like from which nodes output you have to connect which nodes input, right? Like this is the very important information for all of us, like since we all are beginners.
Right.
Mm.
Gaurav, this is what I
Yeah,
should add.
yeah, just to first click on the select input. Yeah, nice. This is
That's
done.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay, and then generate file.
yeah.
Okay, let's connect. Join text. I'll call it PAA.
Let's try to run it. Mm, yeah, just download the file. Excel.
1 second, I'll
You can't see your screen. Acha.
here
So,
this. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yeah, now we can.
Yeah, now we can
Yes.
see.
Yeah, that's the output. So after I downloaded it, I opened the Google Sheet and uploaded this, and that's the nice, right?
Yeah, it's
Right.
so like one thing that we need to understand, like whenever we are working on this AI agent, like one thing that I have observed is it all depends on your imagination actually. Like how far you can imagine with your own stuff, like whatever you need. And yeah, like it will help you reach there. It will help you like reach your imagination, like not at that level, but yeah, like these basic mundane tasks, like these kind of research that we spend time on, right? These can be just done in few seconds. So like, yeah.
One thing I would want to add, like obviously this is going to take some work, is okay, the URL that is the answer is getting pulled from, right? And then the answer,
Mm.
right? Like I would add this so I would know, okay, what is missing in my content, or how does it look like, to show it to the copywriter. I mean, if you're updating existing content, you want to see why, and let's say you have this question already, but you don't have you're not appearing in PAA, then you would want to see, okay, what is appearing, what URL, so you can analyze the URL on the website, and then how does the answer look like. If you're creating something new, you want to show it to the copywriter here, right? Like you want to show URL, answer, like an example, right?
Right.
Yeah, so these I would add, but obviously we'll need to like
Yeah, we will have to like learn it
a
more.
lot.
But
Yeah,
I think what you really need, Sarah, I think this can be achieved with the help of SERP API if we
yeah.
just integrate it in Google Sheets.
I mean, look, there's a lot of different ways to do the
Yeah,
same thing, right? Like this can
yeah.
be done with AI, can be done with Google Sheets and any AI, or with Python as well. So there's a lot of ways to do the same thing, and we're trying to explore, because at some point you'll find, for example, one tool is faster for you to create your workflow than the other. Um, I mean, yeah, I mean, we can definitely use SERP API with Google Sheet. That would work as well.
Yeah.
Nice.
By the way, like if I ask you that Sarah, tell me like what kind of AI agent like you want. So what would be your first answer? Would it be like for this people also ask section only, or would it be something else?
I think this is really good. Like when you posted it, I was like, yes, I want this. So this is definitely one of the things I would think about. But I would also want uh, an agent that would audit the page and the content
Mhm.
on the page, and compare to what's in SERPs and what other points can be added. And Sajib, you want to ask?
Uh,
No? Okay.
no, no, I
So
actually.
yeah.
So there
So
are a
what
couple of,
point?
no, there are a couple of templates are there already on
Yeah.
Gumloop, I guess, regarding SEO, right? SEO audit tools, the blog repurposer, I think, and all those stuff. So all these templates are there already, right?
Yeah, these templates are already there. I
Gaurav?
just wanted to build off
Yeah,
from scratch. But yeah, Sarah, let's just go and explore this SEO templates on Gumlu.
yeah, I think
Can you
On
see
the
Gumloop now?
Yeah, just click on or just open a new window of this Gumlu.
we go to homepage only, no? Yeah,
Yeah,
go to
just
Okay.
go to
homepage.
Save. I'll save this.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can go to templates. There are
Let's.
templates on
Where is
nav
the
bar.
the
templates?
menu bar,
On the nav bar.
the nav
Okay.
bar. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here,
Uh,
SEO marketing, SEO
okay.
marketing, right?
Blog repurpose. That's nice, by the way. Like keyword researcher. Like they have some nice tools here.
Audit tool. Yeah, built-in
I like
templates.
Gumloop's YouTube also. Like I do not name I do not know the name of that person, but he has also like created workflows on live session on YouTube, and those live sessions are there. So like guys, you all can refer to those like how he created also. But yeah, these are actually really great. And the best part about these templates is like you can actually like have a look at the workflows as well. So we all can take the inspiration. For example, like how Sarah said that if if we can have one AI agent that can audit a web page, right? So I think we can take some references from these templates also, and yeah.
Okay, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
So go
Uh,
ahead, Sajib, first. I've been talking a lot, so go ahead.
okay. So what we have done, we have just scrapped all the FAQs from the SERP. Is there any way we can add the volume using any specific tool and add the volume as well with the people also ask?
I think so. We can do that. Like, I do not know how to do that, but yeah, you can actually integrate SEMrush also into these workflows.
That will be
And
great.
yeah, and you can ask the AI to like go through the SEMrush and search for these questions and check if they have any search volume or not. So yeah, if we integrate SEMrush into this, then yeah, this can be done.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I think also we can try one, right? And then maybe we are able to edit the template, like
Yeah, sure.
customize it for us, right? I'm just saying that because we were discussing what we want to do. So maybe, hey, I can start with like keyword researcher and see what happens. And then what is my workflow? And I think this is good because that's the power of what's coming. So SEO tools are great, but we are all using the same tools. And what's happening right now is everyone can build their own tool and have their own vision, right? Or their own audit or process,
Exactly.
right? And that's the power here. Like Gaurav's idea, really awesome. Maybe like if I was to think about it, would think about scraping more. But I like that you asked AI also to find like to suggest other questions. So that's the thing, right? Like we are doing things differently, and that's what's gonna make our work have an edge, right? Unique.
Yeah.
I think the challenge. Um, I'm very, very upset. Recently, all we read from Google is bad news.
Yeah.
Like we really need to, I don't know, like have like a town hall call or something with Googlers, and then we express our what the feedback we get from our clients, the comments we get from our client, like have that sort of thing. I think we need to have something like that online, so everyone can attend because I mean they do run events, but I don't think everyone can go, and I mean it's easier to run online. So we can get Joe Mueller on a call with
That
like a
would be
hundred
so
angry
awesome.
SEOs. Oh my god, I have my hammer, not like to scare him or anything,
Oh,
but
damn.
right.
That is
Um,
too big.
All
I'm not I'm talking serious. Like who
all
thinks this is a
prepared.
good idea? Like we need to communicate the problem here and understand what their plan is. Because we all do content some like, and we have to pitch content and we have to create content and we all have KPIs and we need to share our, communicate our concerns.
Mm. Yeah, I think we should do something like this because yeah, this is actually really concerning for every one of us because the kind of results that we are seeing sometimes on AI overviews. I think someone has shared this case study also, like someone just posted an article on LinkedIn Pulse, and then that article was ranking on the AI overview section. So yeah, if something like this is happening, then yeah, it is really very concerning for all of us
Yeah.
because for us, SEO is our
I'll
bread
try
and
Yeah,
I'll try. I think we can try to reach out. I'll try to reach out to some Googlers and suggest we have this town hall meeting, and like everyone come. Like let's have a like a form to submit questions just to organize. Like you can bring any question you want, and then we can have a session, live session like this one, right? Um, no Rotten Tomatoes or anything. Don't be angry. No one should be angry. I'll suggest. I don't know if he would like. I'm not sure who, like John Mueller or Search Liaison, or who should we like. I'm gonna think about like who. But if you have ideas, like if you have preference, I think we all know John Mueller, so I'll reach out. I'm not sure if he's gonna be interested, but definitely something we need to do something, right? Like we are. So you have Google. You have one side. There is the people, the users, and then the other side is us, the publishers, all website owners. And Google is a marketplace, so they need to give us something as much as they're taking, because right now it seems like their plan is just to keep taking.
Yeah, actually, like what, are you updated with this check case? Like like that case is happening, right? Google versus check. I do
Yeah,
not remember the name. Is it check
yeah,
only
yeah,
or
yeah.
something?
I hope Czech wins. Yeah. Okay, you know what? Maybe I can reach out to someone in Czech. I hope they win.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
I'm
tell
not
them.
joking.
Yeah, just tell them that Loki SEO community wants you to win.
Yeah, the entire community is rooting for you to win the lawsuit because we are all upset. Like we collectively are upset.
That's a great idea, actually, Sarah.
I'm not joking. I'm not, look, I don't feel or I don't think we should be passive, right? This is our jobs. We have built the internet and followed the guidelines to make our content accessible to Google. So this is not how they pay us back. This is not how this works, right? Um, and there was a leak recently with a lot of coming AI features. Where is the input of the content creators? You can, like, you have two parts of this. You're thinking about the user, and even the users don't want AI, but it's just like an ego thing. Google wants to compete against ChatGPT. And here's the thing, if Google gives us, like, I was thinking of something, okay, if Google is really rewarding us and giving us like all like, giving us the clicks we deserve because we created the content, maybe more SEOs would block ChatGPT and other LLMs from scraping their content because they're not getting value. But what's happening right now is you have Google not giving you anything, and okay, let's look at other things maybe they would give us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I talk too much.
Yeah, but actually, there has to be someone who can actually like keep the conversation moving. So yeah, it's
Yeah. Yeah,
but
I
like,
learned this
do you
from.
think- but like, genuinely, I'm asking, like, do you really think like John Mueller would be interested in having a conversation with the SEO community regarding their concern?
mean, I'm gonna ask. I don't know if he's gonna respond at all. I'm gonna ask. Should I DM him or should I write a post on LinkedIn? Like what? I mean, if I write a post and people engage, he would know there is a demand. Like people are interested in this, right? But I don't know if he would like this or not. I mean, he's a public person and people get tagged all the time. So if I write it in a nice way, I think he may see it, right?
Yeah. Is there
Maybe
any way if we can add him on our Slack channel, like the creator channel?
I'm happy to add him. I don't know if he would be interested, right? I'm happy to add anyone. I'll ask him. Like I don't know. I'll reach out. I'm not his favorite person, I know, but I'll reach out. Let's see. And I also want to talk to someone from Chegg. Like I really want to know the thought process behind like how did they, I mean everyone wants like in like everyone is angry at Google, but how did they make this decision that hey, we're gonna sue? Like it's one
Yeah.
company taking on this search giant, right?
Actually, actually, like knowing that thought process would be a lot better because we all have been concerned like why Google is deranking us and why it is ranking a very weirdo article sometimes, especially with LinkedIn Pulse. But but one thing that we have never thought about is to file a case
Yeah.
on Google.
And
So,
we don't, like, as independent SEOs, we don't have resources to go up against Google, right? Like Google would probably have a team of lawyers and all that sort of thing. And I don't like unless the like we crowdsource from the entire community. Like I don't just think this is possible for a person like you or me to go up against Google. I mean, I know lawsuits are super expensive if it's like one-to-one, like very, very expensive. So I have no idea. I don't think we can go up against Google, but we can support Check. That's what we can do. I mean, I don't know, maybe if they create a petition or something that they can use in court and show, hey, a lot of SEOs signed this, a lot of SEOs agree, and maybe that would help. But again, I'll reach out. I'll try to reach out to someone from Chegg and see. Yeah.
Yeah, we can just actually like check with the SEO team at Check. Like
Yeah.
if any one of that person can be approachable. So yeah, we can actually like invite them on one of our sessions also and have a conversation with them like what's the process of and what's the kind of excuses that Google lawyers are giving. Like actually like a lot of details would be I would say given to us from that person. So yeah, I think it's a great idea, Sarah.
And you know what? I in Google's law, like the idea that Google is a monopoly, it's not new. And this lawsuit and all these things that happened, like we heard of it, it's not new. It's been there forever, and Google has been accused of it being a monopoly. So Google's way of trying to get out of this is um, to position themselves as an ad company and not a search company. So, hey, we are an ad company. We are not a monopoly in the ad space, which is true because they're competing against Facebook, Instagram. A lot of other platforms offer ads, right? If they position themselves as a search company, yes, they're definitely a monopoly in that segment. So they were trying to like get out of this by, positioning themselves differently. But obviously, on the like it did seem a challenge, but it's not working. Right now it's not working, but it took a lot of time, right? Guys, anyone wants to jump in and say something? I don't want to feel like I'm dominating and
Hello,
like manipulate. What is it? Dominating the
hello,
conversation. Yeah.
hello.
Hi, Kuldreep.
Yeah. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Gaurav.
Yeah, Kuldeep.
Yeah, I just wanted to share a few, one thing. Can you guys just do search on Google, like keyword notebook LM mind map, right? On the Google right now. And just explain me a few things, what it's happening on the SEO on for that keyword. Just do it right now and just we will just
Notebook.
see what it's happening.
Not sure I understand. If you understand, Gaurav, feel free to share your screen.
I think
Okay.
he wants us to like Google search the keyword notebook LM,
Yes,
right?
you search, you guys search notebook LM mind map, right?
Mind map.
On the Google. Yes, notebook LM mind map. That's it.
Okay.
Search on the Google
Yeah, I did that.
and see what's showing you the SEO.
Yeah, it's little different. So videos are coming.
Yeah,
Then
and then go below. You will see the perplexity, right? Click on that
yeah, yeah.
perplexity one, the result.
Okay.
And I don't understand what is this page about. Like they are actually citing this official source, the official news sources like XD developers and digital trends and all of that.
My
And I
God,
have checked their blog post as well, right? And I don't understand what is happening. So is it a search or whatever it is?
my
Yeah, I
God, you
think
know what this is? I think Perplexity, maybe I'm wrong, but maybe Perplexity is generating programmatic pages based on what people are searching and answering it and getting
Hmm.
themselves indexed in Google. So now we're competing against Perplexity.
Right, that's what I'm assuming. Even I checked few blog posts which they have posted, but it was already in different subdirectories. So
This is
Yeah, actually
crazy.
yeah, this is different. This is different.
This is
they've actually
crazy.
started uploading a lot of content actually. Like
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, you can, just converse. You can start your conversation with those particular chat as well, like with the mind map chat. So that's what I found interesting. what's happening
Hmm.
in the SER is just really crazy.
Away, I don't know why. I don't know where I lost it, but yeah. Let's try again here.
Yes.
I don't know.
And the source,
Can you try to like open it in incognito mode or something?
Just normal. That's my normal browsing. I don't know. Something like the URL changed to undefined here, so I don't know what happened. But anyways, it's very interesting.
yes.
Someone who has
And
like
the sources they have cited was actually behind in the SER expertise. So this is something crazy going on the SER right now.
it is, and this is a very like if you share this on LinkedIn, tag me and I'll share it because it's very look, this means we cannot rely 100% on AI to create our content because this is what Perplexity is doing now. That's not, but then there's the problem if even if you create something that's unique, Perplexity and other, like they can pull the data from there and update their content. So there's like a,
Oh, right.
it's weird.
Right.
It's weird. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll share that on LinkedIn. Yeah, I'll do that.
I'm thinking, here's what I was thinking. Okay, let's go to my website. I always go to my, about this. Okay, so let's say this blog, okay? You cannot see, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm thinking for every blog, what if we create a summary at the top, okay? And make this indexable for all LLMs and everything, and then block the rest of the content from LLMs, right? So now they have the information, a summary of the information, and then they'll need to cite us to show more, or for the user to see more, right?
Mhm.
This is similar to, when you have those news websites and you read the first paragraph and then you need to like subscribe to see the rest. Gated
Yeah, yeah,
content, right? So that's
Okay.
what I'm thinking. Maybe this is how we should address this. Obviously, I don't know. I'm just, thinking how can we deal with this content theft, literally.
Okay. Uh, it's just a one example. I don't know where other it's showing, but yeah, I have to check that. Different for
It's
the
just
different
one
credits.
example. Even if it's just one example, one sec. Even if it's just one example, it's still concerning because it's maybe it's
Yes.
something new starting, right? And if
Yes.
Perplexity is gonna do it, maybe Gemini is gonna do it, maybe ChatGPT is gonna
Other
like.
LLMs. Correct.
Give me a second, guys. I need to get tissue. Sorry to interrupt the call like this. Anyway, so I think I'm just trying to figure out what we can do to handle this, right? And gating part of the content is the only thing I see possible for this future scenario.
I think yeah, because that page is more conversational than because like a normal blog post, if you would see, it's a very dynamic it's a very static content, right? And like if it's conversational, then yeah, like they do have an edge over all of us. So yeah. What do you think, Kuldeep?
I mean, I don't have any idea about it. I was just researching about it and just found this one. But I think they are exactly doing the same thing like Google is doing with the AI ops. So
Yeah,
it's the
actually.
same thing. They are just scraping the content of all over the web, what is actually relatable for the users, and citing it to the page and just sourcing, like citing the sources, what are the official sources and news sources are. But that's actually content are from the AI, not from the people who wrote this content, right? And the people who actually wrote that content, it was actually uh, we can see that in the behind the SEM. So I think that's concerning. That's not a very good sign. And it's just a one example, right? So I don't know how many queries they are showing, but let's see if it's showing on other queries as well. I'll share it more. The link.
Najib, what do you think?
I was actually analyzing, I was actually looking for the meta description of all the pages. Something common I have found are a dollar sign, stock price, something like this.
Oh, interesting. Can you share your screen and show us?
Yeah.
Uh, yes, I'm not very familiar with Zoom.
Mhm.
Share screen. Uh, Can you tell me where can I share screen in Zoom?
You would
There
just
is
see.
a bar at the bottom, and there is a green box with an arrow that
Okay, I
has
got
share.
I got it.
Just click on it, yeah. And then it's gonna show you all the screens, and then click the screen you want to show.
Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, like what are searching stock price, then again dollar, then again stock performance, again dollar, then price performance, price performance. Somewhere actually most of the things I'm stock price, stock performance. Most of the things I'm seeing are related to stock performance, dollar, and this
Can
is
you
just a
can you
2 minute
click on
research.
the link? Any of the links? Anyone?
I think it is fetching it from the footer or somewhere. Like, I don't know. Just thinking out loud. Can you just open the link? We can just find the text
Yes,
where it
I'm
is.
seeing this like this. Okay, there was another common or spheres like this. I have no idea what is it is, but
Linking,
till now
right? I don't see any links. Is there any link?
This is different as well. If you see the folder, it's different. It's the finance folder, right?
Yeah,
And
but
it's completely different. But
but
what we
okay,
have seen, it was different as well.
okay. But if you okay, here are some links. Okay, I saw some links. Yep. Okay. I don't see
I
any
don't
other
know.
definition for this other than literal content theft. Literally.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna ask it to perplexity. What does it mean?
But damn, they have started writing a lot of content actually.
I was
Yeah,
actually
I
looking
mean,
for the
it's
meta
just
description.
crazy.
So, uh, however, the descriptions are kind of full of entities to me.
Mm, yeah.
They are just common, like the
I
very
think
common
it
entities. Uh,
I think it is fetching this description from the data table that we saw on the landing page, right? Like this is what I am assuming.
no,
Maybe.
this is something Sahil's favorite things. These are 5 types of wealth book. I don't know.
Oh
It
damn.
doesn't. Uh, something is going on. That's it.
Yeah. Good find, guys. Good find.
Okay. Now again, how to stop it? Yeah, I don't know.
At the top of your screen, you must be seeing
Uh,
stop share.
oh, I got it. Stop. Sorry.
confusing. I know. I like in the past I was confused as well. So, and sometimes I still get confused. I don't know why, but it happens. Rasa,
Yes.
I don't want to push. Like, if you don't want to speak, it's okay. I just want to make sure we're not like talking and taking all the time and not listening to you.
No, I'm with kids and it's making the noise, so
It's okay.
so it's
Okay.
hard to speak at the same time.
No, it's okay. Take care of your kids. Thank you for being here. Okay, guys, I'll try to reach out to John Mueller this week.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Let's
Yeah,
try
yes,
to get
please.
into
and
our
Chegg as
SEO
well.
creators.
I'll try to
This
see if I can get someone from Chegg. Okay, so should I DM John Mueller or should I write a post, and then if he sees people engaged, maybe that would encourage him to like.
I think you can post and we guys can
yeah, we all will
yes, we all
engage.
will engage and that
I'll
might
try to do this like
take the eyes.
end of day today or maybe tomorrow. I just need to think like a nice wording and like explain how important this is, and maybe end of day today. After iftar, I have more food in so I have something on my
Yeah,
hand.
yeah. Works.
Okay, so I'll post and then I'll post it in the Slack so you can go and like engage and share it. And I hope he takes it on. I mean, we just need like just 1 hour session just for us to discuss our concerns and hear. I think what we want to hear is Google is committed to sending clicks to publishers. And because if you see the Yahoo guy, the Bing guy, he's like, don't focus like on clicks, and so, like, he said something that was very annoying. It was just about like the traffic, like, hey, some publishers are just selling ad views, like they're very disconnected from what's going on the ground, right? So
Makes sense.
the Fabrice guy from Bing, yeah, maybe we can go after Fabrice next.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks guys for coming. Obviously that's Gaurav's session. I am super grateful that you I was just about to like literally I was just okay, what is the workflow I want to discuss? And then I saw yours. I was like, hey, that's perfect. So thank you so much for showing up today. And see you again. I have a session tomorrow on Sell Like a Marketer. I'm gonna share it. I'm not, if you can join, that would be great. If not, that's okay, but please share it with others. And yeah, thank you guys. I'll
For
share
sure.
the video and like it just needs to download and process and that sort of thing, and I'll upload it to YouTube and share it. Okay. Thanks, guys.
Thanks a lot,
Yeah.
guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, thank you.